Nuclear War Survival Guide: How many people will die when nuclear weapons are used in the Third World War, and how do you save your life? On average, 4.6 people are born every second in the world, and the cumulative number of births each year reaches 145 million. There are more than 7 billion people alive on Earth today, and an average of only 2 people die every second compared to births. Counting from 50,000 years ago, the total number of humans living and dying on Earth is about 108.1 billion. Let's arrange it in groups of 1 million people and then arrange the deaths by time. Under this arrangement, it is clearly seen that the death toll peaked during World War II. Among them, in 1945, the United States dropped nuclear weapons on Japan, which increased the death toll by 1/3. Compared with the hydrogen bomb developed many years later, the original nuclear weapon had only 1/10 the damage radius. There are more than 10,000 nuclear weapons in the world today. How many people will die when they are used in World War II? Now detonate a nuclear weapon over the city, instantly forming a fireball as hot as the sun, and all buildings and people around 2 kilometers will evaporate. Based on the city's average population density, the death toll would exceed 50,000. The thermal radiation generated by the explosion will reach 11 kilometers, which is enough to cause third-degree burns to everyone exposed. Then, the nuclear radiation made the dust dangerously radioactive, and those who survived would slowly die from radiation sickness a week later. If nuclear weapons exploded at the surface, the death toll from radiation could reach 500,000. When the number of nuclear warheads fired in the Third World War reaches 10,000, the number of deaths will be higher in a short period of time than in every previous year. At the same time, a large amount of radioactive sediment will cover the sky. In the next few years, the Earth will enter a nuclear winter. The darkness and cold will destroy agriculture in a short period of time, and there will be no food supply. Most of the old, weak, sick, and disabled will not be able to survive this winter. However, in today's environment, full-scale nuclear war is unlikely, but you still have to learn these 2 life-saving skills. First, if the air defense alarm sounds, you can go to underground garages with civil air defense engineering signs to hide. These garages are usually located in large communities and shopping malls, and this is also the nearest air defense basement to you. Second, if you don't have time to go to the above locations, look for an obstacle to hide. Once you have successfully escaped the first round of explosions, don't rush to drive away, because you will be stuck in traffic at any time. At this point, look for clean drinking water and food, and then seek shelter in a deep basement or subway station.